Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Blind Bartender YouTube channel. Today we got another sweet shot for you guys. Do y'all like Starbucks? I love Starbucks, but I hate the price. Anyway, let's make a drink that tastes like a Starbucks latte. So we got Irish cream, we got Kahlua, and we got vanilla vodka and caramel vodka. You're gonna take your shot glass, and you're gonna take your Kahlua. You're gonna get a little Kahlua in there. Next, your caramel vodka. You just want a touch of each. You just want that flavoring in there, you know? Your vanilla vodka. And last, your Irish cream. Now on the nicer channels they layer. I don't know how to layer yet. I'm new. And that is your latte shot. Please remember to always drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. And enjoy your drink.